Hi, hello everybody. Welcome to Cloud for Free YouTube channel. By the way, I'm Raj. I have created this YouTube channel to post some educational related content based videos, especially the latest technologies like Docker, Kubernetes, OpenStack Private Cloud, AWS, Azure, Ansible, Python, and many more. So throughout the main motive of this YouTube channel to share my knowledge and how the enterprise cloud will work and how that the enterprise level the issues we will face. So we are going to share our knowledge on this YouTube channel. So if you are new to this this kind of technologies, please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and stay tuned and make sure you are following my channel properly. And the very first web series which I'm trying to cover is Docker. So that is the reason I put Docker image on the screen. So hopefully the next video will be like setting up the Docker environment, because I'm pretty sure we need a proper platform to do a hands-on exercises. I will definitely not going to make you bored by just speaking the content. Of course we are going to make lot of exercises, and we will practically do the exercises. So I'm pretty sure you will be going to enjoy, and I'm definitely you are going to learn many things. So the next video will be like how to build a Linux instance in AWS and installing a Docker package on it, so that we will get a environment ready. So in upcoming videos we will be talking about what is Docker, how to make use of the Docker as per the enterprise standard. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon button to get immediate notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.